day everyone, I'm Jimmy Cadorna and this is my partner. Now we need to solve this type of problem. My partner will read the type of problem.
So we're gonna read the statement of this problem. So two forces act on the ground. Shown in figure 4 to 15a, determine the resultant moment they create about range at O. Express the result as a partition vector. So now my partner here, Mr. Cadorna, will discuss about the solution.
Okay. Based on the solution, RA is equals to 5I feet, which is in the y-axis. See? 5 feet in the y-axis. Now, RB. This is our RB, which is the slant. RB is equals to 4I because it's in the x-axis, plus 5J, which is in the 5, which is in the y-axis, minus 2K because it is in the vertical axis, feet. So we need to solve for the MRO, which is equals to submission of forces along R and F, which is equals to RA times FA plus RB. So in Cartesian method, I is equals to 0 because there is no other, based on the solution RA, so this is our RA, there is no I, which is x-axis, so 0. J is equals to 5 because based on the diagram, 5 feet, it has 5 value in it, so which is 5. There is no value in the z-axis along the y-axis also, so which is equals to 0. Now, negative 60 times 40 times 20, so multiplied by forces A, which is this one, based on the given negative 60I, which is x, plus 40j, which is y, plus 20k, which is z. So we need to write the first one in below our length, plus I4, which is in the x-axis, 5j, which is in the y-axis, negative 2k, which is in the z-axis. So based on RB. Now, the forces along RB is equals, which is given to us in the problem. Now, we need to solve to find k. So which is 5 times 20 minus 0 times 40. 0 times 40. We need to solve for moment, which is 5 times 20 minus 0 times 40i minus 0 times j plus 0 times 40 minus 5 times negative 60k, the k-axis or z-axis, which is 5. We need to solve for moment. We need to solve for moment, which is equals to 5 times 20 minus 0 times 40i minus we need to solve for moment. Now, moment is equals to 5 times 20 minus 0 times 40i minus 0j plus 0 times 40 minus 5 times negative 60 in the z-axis plus 5 times negative 30 minus parenthesis negative 2 times 40 in the y-axis, which is x, minus 4 times negative 30 minus negative 2 parenthesis times 80 in the j-axis, which is y, plus 4 times 40 minus 5 times 80 in the k-axis, which is z in the z-axis. So moment based on the solution, moment of resultant is equals to 30i minus 40j plus 60k pound-feet. So this concludes our Cartesian vectors. Thank you for listening. I hope you have learned something today, and I hope you tell us something in the comments. And thank you, and God bless.